Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to iron a ruffle dress. First, always check the care label inside your dress to understand the fabric type and recommended ironing temperature. Next, make sure your iron is perfectly clean to avoid transferring any marks onto the fabric. Set your iron to the appropriate heat setting. Finally, lightly mist the ruffles with water using a spray bottle. This helps relax the fibers, making them much easier to smooth out. When ironing ruffles, always work from the inside out, starting with the innermost ruffle layer. Use the pointed tip of your iron to carefully press around the curves and edges of each ruffle. This precision helps maintain their shape. As you iron, gently pull the fabric taut with your free hand. This simple technique helps to smooth out wrinkles without stretching or distorting the delicate ruffles. For very delicate fabrics, place a thin pressing cloth between the iron and the dress to prevent scorching or creating a shiny finish. Be careful to avoid ironing directly over any embellishments, buttons, or thick seams, as this can damage them or create unwanted impressions. Once a section is ironed, gently reshape the ruffle with your fingers. Immediately hang the dress on a padded hanger to allow the fabric to cool and set its newly ironed shape. After ironing, it's crucial to let your dress cool down completely before putting it away. This prevents new wrinkles from forming and helps the fabric retain its smooth finish. Store your beautifully ironed ruffle dress on a padded hanger to maintain its shape, ideally in a breathable garment bag to protect it from dust and snags. Remember, proper storage is key to keeping your dress looking its best for longer. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.